Welcome to the Mood Ring Part 2, Coding Your Ring. In this video, we're going to do two challenges, Challenge 6 on page 1.4 and Challenge 7 on page 1.7. We will have the objectives during these two challenges of learning about inputs to your calculator, outputs from your calculator, designing a program on your calculator, and creating a user interface for that program. Well, I'm excited to get started with this. Let's get going by navigating to page 1.4, that's Challenge 6. Take a moment to pause your video and navigate to Challenge 6, and I'll meet you there. Challenge 6. This is the description for Challenge 6, and this description is actually very similar to a document that you may need to work with if you become a STEM professional. A document called a program requirements document is one that is created by members of the team who are designing a program, and that gets handed off to the programmer, who then writes a program to meet with all of the requirements that are written in that document. In our case, let's look at the requirements. It says that we should choose 5 mood messages from the previous list, display them on the calculator screen, and do so on a different line. Okay, I understand what we need to do. Well, let's go to page 1.2 and check it out. That's where the mood messages are. Remember, you can navigate on Inspire a couple of different ways. We've used Control Touchpad to the left in the past. We've also clicked on the tabs at the top. We've done both ways. Today, since we're so close, I'm just going to click on 1.2 to switch. The mood messages are here. These are the messages that your ring should display as the user goes through different moods. I think I'm going to choose happy, hopeful, cheerful, maybe mysterious, and calm. Those are the 5 I'm going to choose. You feel free to choose any 5 that you want. Now, clicking on the tab at the top, I'll return to the program description. Okay, now that we've picked our 5 mood messages, let's go ahead and write code to do that. To navigate to the next page, I'll just press the tab 1.5, and now I'm at the text editor for my Python program. Oh, look, there's that pound symbol that tells me I have a comment. Remember, we learned about comments. They are messages that a programmer writes to either themselves or to others that might be viewing the program about something that they need to be mindful of in the program. And in this case, it says, hey, make sure your hub is connected. And if our hub is connected, we're going to have to import the TI Hub module. So to do that, go to Menu and number 8, and we've done this several times. Number 1, TI Hub. Great, now it's imported. Now I can get down to the business of displaying my mood messages. I'll press Enter once to give myself a new line. And again, I'll press Menu, TI Hub, and this time I'm going to go to number 5, Commands, and there I'll choose number 2, which is text at. That's actually text at some row. So I'll do text at, and my tooltip says rows can be 1 through 13. I'm going to go ahead and choose 3 just to kind of bump it down from the top a little. I'll press Tab, and I'm going to put in my first mood message, which is happy. So I'll press the Shift key to give me an uppercase, and then an A, and a couple of P's, and a Y. There we go. And now I'll press Tab, and I'm going to choose left. Alignment just tells me where on the screen, left, center, or right, to display it. I'm going to choose left. So I'll just press Enter. Notice that I'm still inside the parentheses of the command, and so I don't want to hit Enter yet. I need to get outside of that parenthesis. To do that, I'll just press the touchpad click once to the right and twice to get out. Then Enter for the next line. Okay, great. Let's see what this does. I'm going to press the Control R to run it. Remember, that's the pirate's favorite command. And there it is. Sure enough, it says happy. It's on the left, and it's 1, 2, 3 lines down. Okay. To get out of this program, I need to press Enter to get back into the shell. And then I'll just go up to the top here, press 1.5 to go back to the editor. And let's do this again. I'll press Menu, number 8, TI Hub, number 5, Commands, and 2, TextAt. This time let's do TextAt row 4, just one below it. And my other mood message is going to be cheerful. So I'll do a shift to give me an uppercase C, and then I'll go ahead and type in the rest of this. There's cheerful. And I'll press the Tab key. And again, left is fine. And I need to get out of the parentheses, so click once to the right, twice to the right, Enter. And let's run it again, Control R. Sure enough, cheerful is right under happy. Golly, it works great. Enter to get out of that and go back to the shell. And click on 1.5 to go back to the editor. Okay, now you have 3 more to enter. Remember to enter your 5 favorite mood messages. Let's pause the video here, and you take the time to finish your program. And when you have all 5 working just right, go ahead and resume the video and we will continue. Now that you've finished your program, let's move on to challenge 7. Again, to get out of this program, I'll press Enter. That returns me to the shell. And on page 1.7 is challenge 7. So navigate to challenge 7 and let's read the program specifications for this challenge. It says that we should combine our favorite mood color with your favorite mood message. Well, let's recall the mood colors from the previous challenge. I think my favorite color is magenta. So I'm going to use that along with my favorite mood message, which is mysterious. So let's go to the next page and do this thing. Here I am on the next page, and I have a blank editor. Remember, you must import the TI Hub. So, Menu, number 8, and number 1 to import. Great. Now I have the hub imported. Now I need to combine learning from my previous challenges to write this new program that takes a favorite mood color and a favorite mood message and combines these 2 outputs into a single program. So here we go. Let's first do our color. I remember how to do this. We've done this a bazillion times. Well, maybe a little less than a bazillion. 8, and I'll go to built-in devices, that's number 2, and color output, and I'll choose RGB. Magenta, it's a secondary color made up of red, no green, and blue. Okay, remember to go outside of the parenthesis and press Enter to go to the next line. Now I'll add my text message. Well, I remember I just got finished doing that. I'll go to Menu, TI Hub, Commands, and TextAt. And I'll go ahead and put this on row 5. And my message is mysterious. So I'll do capital M, Y S T E R I O U S. Mysterious. Yeah, that's mysterious. Go to tab and I'll choose left rather. Let's do this in the left. And now I'll get outside of the parenthesis and press enter. And remember, what's our favorite command? R. Oh, hey, look at that. It says mysterious on the Inspire's display. And over here you'll see, yeah, there's magenta. Whoopee! Looks like it works. Take a moment now to pause the video and you complete your program with your favorite mood message and your favorite mood color. When you've completed that task, resume the video. Welcome back. Well, nicely done coding your mood color and your mood message. This concludes challenge 6 and 7. Stay tuned for our next challenge 8. I'll see you there.